Hey dear, how's it going? This is Covid from coderkovid, and today we're going to head over to while loop in this lesson. So this is the 9th lesson on Python tutorial, learn Python programming. If you haven't seen previous videos, you can go to my coderkovid YouTube channel and check all of them, and we will be learning while loop in this lesson after finishing for loop. In this lesson we'll learn for loop. In this lesson we learned lists, and now in this lesson we are going to learn while loop. So what is the structure of? Let us go through theoretical knowledge before we start with practical. Okay, so while loop, what does while loop do is, so before knowing what it does, let's know what is its structure. That is, so structure is our while something condition, and it's a little bit similar, not total but little bit similar to for loop, but not that much similar. Okay, so condition, and we put here code. Okay, so until the condition gets true, it runs the code. So this while loop and for loop are very much essential for game development and web development and like that stuff, guys. So please be serious about your studies and your tutors in this. So if you don't understand my videos and you want different coaching class, then don't forget to hire me. I am for you. You can email me in the email in the description box below. I will try to contact you soon. So what while do is, if I put here true, so let us do like while true, we print hello world. So do you think it's gonna happen? But I think it's not gonna happen because, but let's see what will happen. So I will run it. Yeah, it happened because okay, so guys, it will happen up to 10,000 times because we just specified this, and it's gonna happen just continuously. Okay, so if I did here false, and if I run this code, what will happen? Let's see. It will not print anything until the condition is true. It will just loop through this code. If the condition is false, the printing or looping of the code is stopped. So this is the function, guys. While loops, or not function. This is the while loop that we are going to learn, and we are learning. So let us do like I want to print from 0 to 100. What I'm going to do is, we will specify a variable count, and that is a counter with a value of 0, and we just wanna do this while count is greater than or equals 0, or sorry, 100. So until, sorry, less, here should be less, until the count is less than and equals to 100, we're going to print count, and we're just gonna print all of these. So we will increment. To increment, you can use this shortcut method, that is this one, and this is equals. This method is similar as count plus 1. So this is similar, guys. So to reduce code, we can do like this. Just count plus equals 1. This means count equals count plus 1. And I will explain the just code behind it and what does this do. I will explain you. Okay, so here you can see. So let me explain you now. The count variable is 0, and until count variable is 100, okay, print count. If I don't do this one here, it will just print me the value of count, that is 0. You can see 0 up to just infinite time, because the value is always true. Okay, so we have to just do this. And why does this do is count equals count plus 1. So I will like to write like as usual. So here is count is 0, 0 and 0 plus 1, and count becomes 1. And again it loops through it and it prints 1, and again it prints 1, 1 plus 2, and it prints 2, 2 plus 1, 3, and like this it goes and goes. So, and we will like to just change the code and like just a modification in our code, that what if we do from 100 to 0? That's possible, guys. For it, you have to just do is greater than 0. You can put like same, and you can just decrease the value. So it's not working. So just a minute. So count is greater than 0. We'll have to just do it. Okay, I got it. And as I will do, it prints from 100. You can see from 100 to 1. Okay, so it's kind of not that much hard, but there is little bit of logic you have to use. So, and I will explain whole code that this is the value of count, and until count is greater than 0, so that's 100, we print 100, and count is greater than, and that 100 value is minus 1, and we get again 99. And 99 minus 1, that is 98, and so on. As this happens here, this is the logic behind that. And let's do like, if count is equals to 0, then we have to print like finished, like that. Okay, so for that we'll have to just do like, if count is equals 0, we'll have to print heads off, not heads off, it's kind of finished, it's good, finished, and else we print count and decrement value of count. So let's see what the code runs, and here it's not any different. Why doesn't it print 0? Because here is greater than sign. So if we put equals here, and the code is running good. So why didn't it properly work? Because it was 0, and as it reached 0, the statement was false and nothing was done. So to make the statement true until you reach 0, we just need to write equals. Or you can also put a little bit of logic and just put like this, and the code runs well, guys. There is no any issue. But if I do like this, it's not the correct one, guys. And this is totally right, guys. You are always right. But putting the exact value is more good, if you know. So it's printed. So this much for a while loop, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, guys, please like this video and share this with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel coderkovid, and I'll meet you in the next Python related video. Thank you.